Done it already.
So this is the revision that we are doing. So let's see what is this chapter about. Books are the quietest and most constant of friends. They are the most accessible and wisest of counselors and the most patient of teachers. So this chapter is about the books. Books not only give us the knowledge, but they also reflect some truth of life also that we can identify with. If we start reading books of a variety of books of different topics, from science, from arts, whatever you will read, that will reflect in your character, right? So if you start reading books, you will get used to of reading this, and you will be, it's like an addiction also, the book reading. The people who like to read the books, they like to read more and more books, and that reflect in their character also. So books not only give us knowledge, it also makes our character. So let's see what is written here. The questions are very lengthy, but not all the full question will not come. A part of the question may come. So in the first question, you can see the sea is everything. It covers 7/10 of the terrestrial globe. Its breath is pure and healthy. It is an immense desert where man is never lonely, for he feels life stirring on all sides. The sea is only the embodiment of supernatural and wonderful existence. It is nothing but love and emotion. It is the living infinite. So what you will have to do?
20,000
Page
legumes
number
under the sea.
20,000. 20,000
Under the
legumes
sea.
under the sea.
leaves under the sea.
Okay, do
Jules
one
Jules
thing. Who can
Verne.
give the answer? Who can give the answer?
One page
Raise your
number.
hand. Okay. Who can give the answer? Raise your hand. And then
Ma'am,
I will
page
call the
number.
name.
Ma'am, page
39.
number.
Page number 39.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and whatever answer you will say, I will just click that one. Then at the end, we will check that is it correct or not. So I can see here 3 hands are raised. Manmat Aryanshu Patro. Yes, Aryanshu.
20,000 legumes under the sea.
Okay, so let's check whether it's correct or not. Yes, that is the correct answer. So students who are writing these answers, write 20,000 leagues under the sea, Jules Verne.
Verne.
Next one, what is the name of the book and the author? The lines are, so does a whole world with all its greatnesses and littlenesses lie in a twinkling star. And as mere human knowledge can split a ray of light and analyze the manner of its composition, so sublimer intelligences may read in the feeble shining of this art of ours every thought and act, every vice and virtue of every responsible creature on it. So what is the name of the book?
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, Shreya, you tell the answer.
A Tale of Two Cities, Charles Dickens.
A Tale of Two Cities, Charles Dickens. Okay, let's see. Yes, that is the correct answer. So the answer for the second question will be A Tale of Two Cities, Charles Dickens. Now question number 3. Question number 3. A rug does not laugh in the same way that an honest man does. A hypocrite does not shed the tears of a man of good faith. Okay. All falsehood is a mask. And however well made the mask may be, with a little attention, we may always succeed in distinguishing it from the true face. So this is the line. What is the name of the book and the author? I can see 4 hands are raised here. Okay, Sohana Parveen. Sohana.
Yes, ma'am. The Three Musketeers, Alexander Dumas.
So what is the name of the book? Tell it again.
The Three Musketeers, Alexander Dumas.
Akhil, why you are telling? I asked Sohana, na? She was telling the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so that is the correct answer. The Three Musketeers. Now next, life is a storm, my young friend. You will bask in the sunlight one moment, be shattered on the rocks the next. What makes you a man is what you do when that storm comes. You must look into that storm and shout as you did in Rome. Do your worst, for I will do mine. Then the fates will know you as we know you. So that means, so these are the suggestions that I think these are the books of philosophy, right? It seems like that,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it? Okay. So what is the name of the book? Mona Lisa Paja.
The Count of Monte Cristo, Alexandra Dumas.
The Count of Monte Cristo, Alexander Dumas. Okay, let's see. Let's check this answer. That is absolutely correct answer. Very good. So students, if anyone is writing here, no one has turned on the video. Everyone turn on the video first.
Ma'am, I
If
have
you are
turned on
writing
my
this
video.
answer. Yes, Shreya, only Shreya and Devi Prasad I can see now. Now the next one and the last one is, he found
The
himself
last one I will
wondering
tell.
at times, okay, especially in the
Ma'am, I
autumn,
will tell.
about the wildlands, and strange visions of mountains that he had never seen came into his dreams. He began to say to himself, perhaps I shall cross the river myself one day, to which the other half of his mind always replied, not yet. So what is the name of the book?
Ma'am, can I tell?
The Fellowship
I
of
can
the
say.
Ring, J.R.R. Tolkien.
Aryan Shoo. Okay, tell it.
And the Fellowship of the Ring, J.R.R. Tolkien.
The Fellowship of the Ring, J.R.R. Tolkien.
Sorry.
Okay, let's see. That is the correct answer. So let's see the answers once again. The first answer will be 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. Second answer will be A Tale of Two Cities. The third answer will be The Three Musketeers. The fourth answer will be The Count of Monte Cristo. And the last answer will be The Fellowship of the Ring.
The ring.
Okay, have you all marked it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let's move to the next chapter. That is
Ma'am,
also
tell them.
about books and authors, but here no lines are given. Directly the names
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
books are given, and the author, you will have to guess the name of the author.
Author.
Okay, this one is also done. Who authored Forbidden Verses? Forbidden
Abu Nuwas.
Verses.
Abu
Okay.
Nawaz.
Okay, don't tell like that. This is why I told you to raise your hand as we are
Yes,
revising.
ma'am.
I know
That is
all of you
only
know the
okay.
answer. Just raise your hand and tell the answer. Okay. Abu Nawaz.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
let's check it. The correct answer is Abu Nawaz. Okay. Now second one. Which of the following book is written by Vikram Seth? Now Akhil, you tell.
A Suitable Boy.
A Suitable Boy. Let's check it. That is correct answer. Which of the following is not
I
written
also
by
said that
Munshi Premchand? Monoshi.
Guide.
Guide. Okay, let's see. That is the correct answer. Very good. Now, the autobiography of Lady Mountbatten is Mona Lisa Paja.
Edwina Mountbatten, A Life of Her Own.
Edwina Mountbatten, A Life of Her Own. Okay, let's see. That is the correct answer. Very good. Now, number 5. Reminiscences of Nehru Age, of the Nehru Age, is a book written by Suhana Parveen. Tell the answer.
Yes. M.O. Mathai.
M.O. Mathai. Okay, let's see. Yes, that is the correct answer. Answer will be M.O. Mathai. The book of Parsis is Shreya. Yes, I can't hear you.
I think she have some network problem.
Yes, Shreya, I can't hear
Ma'am, I
what you are
could.
telling. Okay, Arshad, you tell the answer. The book of Parsis is? Tell the answer. No, I'm even not getting any reply from him. Sohana Parveen.
Yes, ma'am. Giant Avestor.
Zend Avestor. Yes, that is the correct answer. Okay, Shreya, from your device, we are not getting any sound. Okay, we can see that you are talking, but I can't hear you. Number 7. Who among the following saints wrote Bijak? Who among the following saints wrote Bijak? Saif Atif Aslam.
Ma'am, Kabir.
Kabir. Okay, let's see. Yes, that is the correct answer. Very
Correct
good.
answer.
Question number 8. Who is the author of God of Small Things? Who is the author of God of Small Things? Manmat
Ma'am,
Aryan
can I say?
Supatro. Yes.
Ma'am, Arundhati Roy.
Arundhati Roy. Okay, let's see. Yes, that is the correct answer. Very good. Now, sorry, that will be the author. Okay, a T will be there. The
Ma'am,
author
there
of
is
the
also a
book.
song named Small World.
Where?
Ma'am, in the YouTube I have seen there is also a song. It is fully matched with this poem only.
Which one? This one that is written here. The author of the book, A Brief History of Time.
No, ma'am, God of Small Things that Arundhati Roy wrote.
Okay. You have seen that?
Yes, ma'am. From there, I have read the poem and internet and searched it in the YouTube. Then it shows one song. It is very emotional, full.
Okay. That means the poem is also sung in the form of a song, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That's very good. So students, if you also want to hear it, you can also search it and hear it.
Ma'am, Small World.
Then you can better remember it then. The author of the book, A Brief History
Hello,
of
ma'am. Can you hear
Time
me?
is... Yes, Shreya, now I can hear you. You tell me this answer?
Yes, ma'am. Stephen Hawking.
Stephen Hawking. Okay, let's see. Yes, that is the correct answer. So Stephen Hawking has written A Brief History of Time. Now the last
Ma'am, you
question,
told,
higher than hopes.
Ma'am, you told.
Yes.
Ma'am, when I write the answer is C, or now you are telling answer is D.
Ma'am, answer is B only, Stephen Hawking.
Yes, Stephen Hawking will be the answer. See, don't look at the numbers or the series. I have told you before. Just look at the question and the answer, because the serial or the arrangement of the options, they will vary again and again. Every time we will see in this digital book, every time the options will vary. Don't write as A, B, C. Write the question, read the question and write the answer directly. Okay, I have told you before also. Don't write as A, B, C like that, because these arrangements will change. Every time I will open this, they will shuffle or they will change. Okay, so write the direct answer. Higher Than Hopes is a biography of
Can I
Monoshi.
Nelson Mandela.
Nelson Mandela. Okay, let's see.
No,
That
ma'am.
is the correct answer. Okay, now I'm again showing all the answers. The first answer will be Arshad. Did you understand what I am trying to tell you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I was trying to tell you just this thing. Write the answers. Don't write the numbers, because every time I will open this page, every time the number will change. Okay. Who authored the Forbidden Verses? That will be Abu Nawaz. Question number 2, answer will be A Suitable Boy. Question number 3, Guide.
Ma'am,
Question
can I
number
say one
4.
thing?
Yes.
Ma'am, question number 10 will be Nelson Mandela.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Nelson Mandela was written, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Nelson
ma'am.
Mandela is written.
Yes, we have marked Nelson Mandela.
Ma'am, I saw
Right?
that Mother Teresa you marked, so.
Oh, no, Nelson Mandela was marked. Okay, let's see. Okay, we will go to question number 10. Again, we will see it. Okay. So question number
Okay,
4,
ma'am.
Edwina Mountbatten, A Life of Her Own. Next, number 5, M.O. Mathai. Question number
Yes, ma'am.
6, Zend Avestor. If anyone is writing, you write it. Question number 6, Kabir. Sorry, question number 7, Kabir. Okay. Question number 8, Arundhati Roy. Question number 9, Stephen Hawking. Question number 10, Nelson Mandela. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.